The additional kinetic energy to be provided to a satellite of mass m revolving around a planet of mass m to transfer it from a circular orbit of radius r1 to another radius r2s, another orbit of radius r2s. So we can find out what about the value of energy required. So we can write energy required will be equal to difference in energy of this satellite in these two stages. So you can write difference in energy means we should go for total energy final minus total energy initial. And we know that the equation for total energy for a satellite is nothing but minus of gmm divided by 2 times of its orbital radius. So we can take it as it is r2, which is the final energy, minus the initial energy is minus of gmm divided by r2 r1. So if you are taking this gmm by 2r or 2 as common, remaining thing is minus 1 by r2 minus it becomes plus 1 divided by r1. So I can write the energy that we need to supply is nothing but gmm divided by 2 into 1 by r1 minus 1 divided by r2.